How's it going, everyone? It's Jerry here with Any Level Fitness. I want to talk about neck pain. If you have a sit-down job, I'm pretty sure you experience some type of neck pain before. So, especially if we're sitting down, we're working on a computer, and what we're doing is we are elevating our shoulders more, so we're doing like a shoulder shrug, and we're probably not even noticing that we're doing that. So the first thing we're going to start doing is kind of relaxing our shoulders when we're at work, working on a computer, or if you just have a sit-down job in general. But what's happening is our upper traps are working, like overworking, and a muscle called the levator scapula. So what we have to do is we got to start stretching those muscles to help eliminate some of this pain that we're experiencing. And then I can show you some strengthening exercises to go along with this. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down on the bench or any table, bench, table, whatever it is. But we're going to lower our head down like this. And we're actually going to pull our head down. So we're going to try to like tuck our chin to our chest. And I'm getting a little tension here. When I do that, I'm pulling on the back of my head just to stretch these muscle fibers out right here in my neck. So your trapezoid muscles, we think shoulder right here is traps. Yes, that's traps, but they originate right under your skull on your cervical vertebrae. So those muscles get tight. Just imagine how we're always in extension with our neck. So our neck is always like this, where you got a forward head and we're like this. So these muscles here in my neck are elongated, so they're stretched out. So they're not even firing, they're not even working, because the back of our neck is working so much. So that's the first thing I would do. I'd start just pulling my head down. You can sit here, do a chin tuck, get those muscle fibers stretched out. And if it's the side of the neck, one side or the other, so if it's like your left side hurting more, then I would lay down sideways on the table and just let my head fall to the side. And normally, if one side is hurting more than the other side, then I'd focus on that one side, stretching that side out. More than likely, you've got to stretch that side out. So this side's hurting, I got to stretch that out, and then I got to strengthen this side of my neck. So it's the lateral, maybe I'm tilting my head like this or something, and I don't even realize that I'm doing that. So the back of the neck needs stretched out, and the side of the neck needs stretched out. Now, a strengthening exercise to go along with this stretching is to lay down on your back now, and we're going to do a chin tuck. So touch my chin to my chest, raise up, raise down. Make sure you try to get your chin to touch your neck, your chin to touch your chest, okay? Now this is working these muscle fibers in our neck. We're going to strengthen these muscles out, and we're going to stretch these muscles out. That's like the number one thing we got to start doing. I would probably just start stretching my neck, to be honest with you, and then start adding the strengthening exercises in. If you need more help with that, I'll post a little bit more videos on neck exercises and stretches to do, but start with that, give that a try, and see if that helps.